Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can participate in the Octo Entertainment Event in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now the Octo Entertainment Event is available, and if you want to join the event, you need to go to Fanya. She's at the Amethyst Beach. Okay, this is Fanya. After you find Fanya, you can start the event. Okay, you can select the Octo Entertainment Event and it costs 2,000 golds. Or actually, you can join it for free if Fanya has started the event. But now Fanya hasn't even started the event, so I need to start it by myself. Okay, I'm starting the event, guys. And wait, let me prepare my fishing tool. Okay, done. And I'm going to start now. Alright, and the Octo Entertainment event has started. And then I'm going to use my mermaid fish attractor so I can catch the fish faster. And yeah, by joining this event, guys, you will have more chance to get the director octopus. You can have more opportunity to get rare octopus. And okay guys, that's how you can participate in the Octa Entertainment event in Heartopia Game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!